So the cool thing about these trucks is that they have anything aftermarket that you could think of. Wheels and tires they got, these are the stock wheels off the C10, like, you know. They got little fog lights, they have everything. And if you ever look for these parts, you'll notice that they sell the stock parts too. Like you can pick up anything off of A-Main or anything off of eBay that someone's selling. Like if you need a stock servo, someone's probably selling that. Don't know why you would go back to the stock servo, but you know, you can. So ever since I got into these, I've always wondered, can I build one of these just off of parts online for cheaper than you can buy one? And I've actually added up everything I think you need to build one of these. So the short answer is no, but I'm going to get into how it might be cheaper in the long run to do this. So I've added up everything. The frame is actually one of the cheapest things. The frame, which I have right here off my Bronco, is $14.99. And you get the battery tray. You don't get the bumper, but you get the battery tray and a couple bolts and stuff. A stock motor is almost $12 for that little piece of trash. Don't understand that. Front axle $24.99, rear axle $22.99. You get the point. You can look all this stuff up. Okay, so the grand total, if you would build this from scratch, like a ball and stock C10. Just a little side note: a C10 body's $35. Look how small it is. Anyways, the grand total is $245.42. Now that's not including shipping or tax, because A-Main, I know they'll do deals. If you get a lot of stuff, you get free shipping. And plus I don't know what your tax rate is, so I can't really do that. So I didn't factor in tax. So when you buy one of these, what is a C10 now? Like $150. When you buy a C10, you're getting $245 worth of stuff. So in one sense, it almost makes sense to buy these to part them out and sell them on eBay, but I'm not even going to get into that. But anyways, you're probably going to upgrade this. No one buys one of these, just leaves it stock. That's kind of weird if you do that. I'm sorry. Okay, while I was editing this video, I realized that I did a terrible job of explaining what I'm even doing in this video. So basically, I've got a bunch of parts and upgrades. I'm going to build a C10 from scratch, and then go through how much that cost me to do it from scratch. And then at the end, I'm going to basically try to find any part I can that is going to make it cheaper. Basically, I'm going to try to find any part that will make it cheaper than buying a just stock SCX24. I don't even know if that's possible. That's kind of the point of making this video. So yeah, I'm going to get to making a C10, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what's after this. I haven't edited it yet. What are these? Super Swampers. I don't know. Those are like $10. Mountain Shocks. I just thought these looked cool. And then got the Endura purple motor. I'm seeing a lot of this on the Facebook forums, so I figured I'd try it out. And just some basic Endura links. So yeah. I guess just like, let's build an RC car. I don't know. Okay, so I got everything laid out, and the battery. I got some bolts and stuff, and I put some shocks and links together last night. That was kind of boring. You didn't really want to see that. Got battery tray on, then the motor and stuff, the wiring for the motor, and I don't know what's happening, but I turn it on, it connects to the AC, and it has a mind of its own. See, I don't. Okay. Okay, I figured it out. I'm an idiot. This light right here was blinking, and it wasn't letting me adjust stuff. That just means you need to change your batteries in your transmitter. So now, actually, turn the transmitter off first. Now when you do that, it works. So, I'm gonna. I think all I have to do next is throw a body on here, then mount some wheels and tires. So I'm gonna go and do that, and then I'll come back when I have all that done. Okay, before I show you the final result, I guess, of the scratch built C10, I wanted to go over what I got when I tried to build a upgraded SCX24 cheaper than just a stock one. As you can see by the price, it's not exactly cheaper, but I'm still gonna go through what I got. For the most part, these parts aren't really that expensive. It just adds up, like 25 bucks, about, what is this, 12 times, 13 times. That adds up to a lot, actually. Got this, I don't even know what name that is or brand, transmission. I know for this price you can get a, was it like a 2-speeder overdrive transmission? I just couldn't find it. Honestly, I'm not gonna go back and look for it. But yeah, aluminum case, so that's going to add some weight down low, maybe. I don't really know. For the batteries, got 2 of these batteries. This is actually a pretty decent deal. I've been looking at some batteries for these little things. 900 milliamp hour. You get 2 of them for 20 bucks. That's not bad. Also, I've been trying to go through and to get everything that's like rated pretty decent. So this isn't just Chinese junk. Well, it is Chinese, but it's not really junk, you know. For the skid plate, for the frame I chose, you're going to need a skid plate. And if you're building this from scratch, you probably don't have one. Got this Injora, this is aluminum. That's metal of some sort. For 12 bucks. For the servo, I got this knockoff Emax for $13. It comes with this red servo horn. That's pretty fancy if you ask me. That's actually rated half decent. For the motor, you got the Injora red motor. I'm saying that because it's red. But anyways, I've got the Injora purple motor and the truck I'm about to show here in a second. It's pretty good. I like it a lot. I've just got the barrage motor in my other one, and you can really tell the difference. I didn't think he was going to. That's 14 bucks. ESC, you got the stock ESC for $28.99. That comes with the receiver too. It's the V1. Honestly, I like the V1 better than the V2. I just like the controller better. That's just me though. For this, you got the Muse Racing metal front drive shafts for the C10, Jeep, Ford, Bronco, whatever. It's 13 bucks. A little steep for that, but you know, whatever. Shocks, you got these knockoff generic shocks. From my experience, the double barrel shocks, they're kind of junk. I've just got them from eBay from China, and I didn't like them. So I usually just go back to stock shocks without springs. So my opinion, that's what you should probably do, but that's just me. Front and rear axles, they're just the stock rear axles. You're looking about probably 50 bucks for those two. You get the high clearance leaks from Injora. You're gonna have to put the things, yeah, they're just links. 15 bucks. And these, I don't have these tires specifically, but was it 2FMRC? He really likes these, and you know, they look cool to me. So, and you get wheels for 30 bucks. And I'm assuming that comes with your Hexus too, and like the little pin things that I keep losing every time I take a tire off or a wheel off. And for the chassis, you have the Injora metal chassis. This may not be the best looking one. There's a couple other ones for around the same price point, but I personally have this one, and I can say it's pretty decent quality. So all that adds up to around 260. And all of this is just all of these pricings as of the day after Christmas 2022, which is the 26th. So some of this might be on sale. Probably not though. This is for a just upgraded already SCX24. So you're gonna spend some of this money upgrading a stock one. I looked a while ago. A stock SCX24 is 150. So if you want aluminum transmission case, that's say 26. Oh, what's going on? 150 plus 26. Then if you want some extra batteries, that's $20. Then if you really want a metal skid plate, I don't really see the point of those if you have the plastic one, but that's just me. That's 13. It's servo. You kind of have to upgrade that because the stock one's not going to last you. Again, with the motor, it's not going to last you. ESC, you don't need that. You already have it. Probably going to leave the drive shafts out. Again, you don't really need it. The shocks, let's add those because some people want shiny metal ones. Front rear axles, you don't need. High clearance links. I never really had those until the last one I built, and to me, they're kind of a necessity now. They've spoiled me. These tires, stock tires aren't hitting on much. Let's add those. And then if you want to add a different chassis, let's add that too. That's 314 right there. So with my big brain skills, it's cheaper to do it this way if you're going to upgrade it compared to just buying a stock one and then buying the upgrades later.